Yo guys, welcome back to another review. Today I will be reviewing my Ninjago movie Lightning Jet, also referred to the Jaybird because it's blue and it's like a J, it's like a bird, Jaybird, whatever. I really like the design, mostly because blue is my favorite color, and these wings are pinched into the front, but you can also move these out and parallel them to the front, and also open them up wide. And there are also these spikes, which in the movie shoot out lightning, but they don't actually do anything here. They're quite annoying because they're the reason that they don't fit in my cabinet. So yeah, the back of it is pretty cool too because of the boosters. You can close them, and that I don't really know why you can do that, but I just prefer them opened wide. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you here. There's this, whatever it's called, I don't know what this is, but it's like missile launchers, but they don't really do anything, you just take them out. Yeah, it's kind of unique. It's not like some kind of spaceship that Lego has produced before, and it's kind of sci-fi from games and all that. And as you can see, there is a kind of stand over here. You can use it as a handle, and over here there's a trigger that when you pull it, this, whatever this is, it spins. And at first I thought, when I just saw it from the package, I thought that it will shoot this bullet, but actually the button that shoots that bullet is way over here. So I'm going to show you how to shoot it in slow-mo. So yeah, that's how you shoot it. And surprisingly, this is the only bullet that shoots, and I really appreciate it if Lego adds more shooters or blasters to this. And on the back, there's this sort of stinging tail. That's why it's positioned in the shape like this. And there are also these stuff. I have no idea what they are, but they just look cool. Oh yeah, and about the shooting part, I would really wish, because since the handle is over here, which is really far away from this trigger to shoot the rubber topped bullet, I wish that there was like a bullet extension so that it would go just all the way here, so that we can just push the button with the same hand that's holding the handle. Last of all, there's this canopy. I just call it a bubble canopy because it's shaped like a bubble and it looks like a bubble. You can open it and close and put a J in it. Oh yeah, I forgot about J. So here's J in his ninja suit. He has this weapon. I'm not sure what it is. It's quite similar to the one in the Ninjago Masters of Ninjitsu because of the chain here, but this handle is really long, and there's the head of a scythe over here, which is kind of funny. So I'm gonna try to put this guy inside the lightning jet. Oh man, my face is itchy. Okay, so I'm gonna put this guy in there. And oh shoot, no, Mom, no play. Come on. Get inside, you little bitch. Okay. we finally got him in, and look at that little minifigure inside this giant lightning jet. Now, in most of my reviews, I talk about the minifigures first, but right now I forgot. I was too excited about the lightning jet, so yeah. So first let's start up with Jay. I already told you before, I already told you about his weapon, so let's put that aside. And so his helmet is made up of two pieces, the top part and the bandana part. So he comes with an alternate face over here. I'll show. So yeah, and he got a really cool print on his back torso, and then the front part of his torso is of course cooler, and he got some kind of orange thing, whatever, like inner clothing on the top, as you can see. He got some kind of sling bag on with, and I have no idea what's inside these two pockets. He got his blue belt here, and and another orange stuff on his knees. He got some, as all ninjas, they got black gloves. And here is Ed and Edna, and they're Jay's parents, and their names are kind of catchy. Ed, Edna, Ed, Edna, Ed, Edna, Ed, Edna, Ed, Edna, Ed, Edna, Ed, Edna. Okay, let's stop that. So I'll start with Ed. He's got this wrench tool because he likes to build stuff. He got a really cool torso print on the front. He's got this thing, got pockets where he keeps his tools, but you can't really take them out. He got green pants with more pockets, and the back of his torso is just okay, but not that good. It's just kind of not good. I mean, not that good. And he also has an alternate face on the back. Here's Edna, and she has a just a pretty cool torso print on the front, but a better torso print on the back. She got some kind of backpack here. Pants are pretty much cooler than the pants of Ed. Yeah, his pants are her pants are quite better, you know. And Edna has some glasses that she just put over his nose, even though she doesn't have any nose. And yeah, there's not that much to say about her. And she also has an alternate face on the back. Now let's talk about the bad guy side. Hey, what are you doing? Stand up. Oh shoot. No. Hey. Stop falling down. Okay, we finally put him back up. So first we'll talk about Krusty. He's riding this crab mech. I'm not so sure if that's what he called it, but I call it a crab mech. He got these claws that open, close, 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 open, close. Okay, enough of that. So there's this 6-stud barrel blaster. So on the back, hold on. Oh shoot, no. There's this thing that you turn. When you turn it, then, pew! I mean, sorry, shoot. No. Pew! The blaster will shoot. So I'm gonna show you how to shoot it in slow-mo. Here's how you shoot those blasters in slow-mo. And I only shot 2 so that I wouldn't lose them. But there they are. So yeah. On the back, he has this barrel. Well, I'm not so sure if it's just like, I mean, a fuel tank for it to move, or if it's, some fluid for this water gun, because in the movie this actually is just a water gun. And I really like his helmet, but these are actually bendy. Boing, 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 boing. And he has, yeah, oh shoot, no, I just meant to take out the helmet. Okay, that was easy. But they come with no alternate face. No face. No face. No face. As you can see, there's a number 13 here. There's this sticker here. I haven't been able to decrypt it yet because they're so tiny. I can't even see them properly. And there are also, get out of there. There are also some some symbols over here. And if you see that there are some symbols on this part, I mean, it's quite blurry on camera, but if you see them, I've been able to decrypt them. It says seek, which is kind of weird. I'm not so sure why it says seek. Seek. And here's Jelly. And I think the rest of the enemy should be jelly of him, jelly, jealous, because he has 2 weapons. Well, maybe not the crab mech, because, maybe not Krusty, because he's got his own crab mech. And I really like his helmet, his bubble helmet, but it will look cooler if he had an oxygen tank like this guy, but he doesn't. So, and his hair, whatever this is, I don't know why it's there. It looks like hair, but if it is, then that would mean he's a girl, but he has a beard, so that's just funny. He has the same thing over here too. He got a cool torso print, but it's just that those pink hair is blocking most of the view. He's got a belt and this pants print. I'll just call it pants. It looks cute. And also on the back, well, the pants aren't cool, but hey, the torso's cool. He's got this stud shooter that you just press this part to shoot it. I'm gonna show you in slow-mo. That's how you shoot that, but it in slow-mo. And remember, that's also a water gun. And the last one is the unnamed Shark Army Thug. He carries this fish that carries this hammer that carries what does it carry again? Nothing. It has a really cool torso print on the front compared to the rest of the minifigures in this set. Oh shoot. This is the coolest. And also the pants, same with the pants, just not on the back. But the torso is also cool on the back. It got this oh shoot, no here. This kind of bag, like the bags over here, and there's the sling there, and there, and there's oh yeah, and there's also pockets here. I just noticed it. And yeah, it's got this helmet, hat or whatever it is. You usually see this hat when you buy thief minifigures, and then they come with what do you call that again? Oh, crowbar and this thing, and it'll go so. Closer look. And it has a really cool face. It's got this pirate thing, whatever it's called. Oh yeah, an eye patch. Okay, and here's Krusty when he's out of this. Oh shoot! Of this crab mech. And I really like the helmet. I already told you before. It's Betty. Boing 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 boing. This, his head. Yeah. Okay. And he's got. Oh yeah, he comes with a weapon. Here it is. He carries this fish that carries this chainsaw that carries what was that again? Oh yeah, nothing. Chainsaw. Chainsaw fish. Bye guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like and smash that subscribe button down below. Make sure to get the set for yourself. Till next Weather Angel, signing out.